Hey y'all, good morning. Today it is raining, so I'm not sure if we even have the soccer game today. It says all green fields are closed, so I'm guessing that that's what that means. Anyways, it's kind of like drizzling at the moment, but it's supposed to rain again in a little bit. So like I said, I doubt that we go. So Sky wanted to wake up and make some waffles. So she's over there enjoying her waffles and her YouTube. With that being said, I want some of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch waffles that I make, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish off hers. That way we can like save those and just reheat them up throughout the week. Hey y'all, good morning, happy Sunday. Today. All I'm gonna say about today is it's gonna be another lazy day because I don't have nothing to do. Yesterday was completely lazy. I just edited a couple of videos, watched a couple of people, finished watching the show Star, and then I really just relaxed. And did completely nothing. So in my free time, from time to time, I will look up things at Myrtle Beach just so I can put it in like my my Google Doc, because it helps to build a lot of good things to do. It gives you an idea of also like what they have. So if the restaurant has a printable menu, I download it, because not only am I worried about like, are my kids gonna be able to eat something from here, or are they gonna want to eat something from here, but is C'Aira gonna want to eat from here? Because I am the picky one. I am the one that does not like this and does not like that and does not like this on, you know, stuff. So you gotta look at those type of things. But anyways, I'm headed up to Dunkin' and then to Bojangles. I'm just getting us some breakfast really quick, and then I'll be back at the house to get Cam for my grandparents. So hopefully, and I do mean hopefully, I beat them back, because they claimed they were gonna come by 9. It's 8:45 now. Yes, that will.
Alrighty, you're welcome.
Oh my God, no French vanilla. I gotta try caramel iced latte. Oh God. All right, y'all, let's try this caramel flavor here. Every time we find it, but that's not my forte. That French vanilla hits so much better than that caramel. But y'all, it is what it is. Anyways, I got this coupon, right, from Bojangles a couple weeks ago. Last time I went around Valentine's Day, and I just found it in my car where I can get 2 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits for $5, but I really don't want bacon on them. So, with that being said, yeah, we'll just see how this goes. I think I want a bow biscuit. All the bow things be hitting. So they didn't hear me order Charles's chicken Cajun filet sandwich, right? So I came back around and they just gave it to me for free. So, okay, thank you. I'm heading back home now that I've gotten a free sandwich. Anyways, my grandmother was like, I'm on the way. Crap, well here I am up at Bojangles. But I should basically meet them there or beat them there.
너 제가 죽으려면 죽는데 신용이라도 할 거야? 좀 주체적으로 살아봐. 아 인생을 말이야. 네가 없으면 빈몸으로 살아야 될 거 아니야. And night, 단 나답게, 단 나답게. Every day and night, 당당하게. 야야야. 나 제발 오히려 남지겠네. 따가운 attention 한 몸에 떠들어 마음만 차가웠죠. Try me out. Watch me stirring the turn it upside down.
Hey y'all, so I decided to get my ass up and head over to this gym. Cause guess what? My body ain't gonna work itself out. But y'all, no, for real, like today, one of my coworkers told my other coworker, like, hey, just because you're going through things with like your mom, you know, being in and out of the hospital, like due to breathing problems and stuff, don't ever like sell yourself short and not, you know, get out and you know, go do things that you were regularly doing. And she was like, I just want to go home and get into bed. Well, while you go home and get into bed, I'm gonna go home and collect my kids and get their dinner ready and prepared on the table, and then I'm gonna head out to the gym. So I just know to never, you know, say nothing else about it. And like I said before, just hold myself accountable and make sure that my ass shows up to the gym. Let's put it like that.
Nobody knows me like you do.
All right, y'all, I'm really getting out. Heading into the gym. I got my car keys. Car is locked. Okay, here we go. Y'all, when I say, damn, my legs is toe up. I'm sweating. Y'all look, look. Lord Jesus, take every wheel I got. Whew, I'm going home, straight to the shower. And I'm telling you, it's PJs for the rest of the night. Lord, if I get the damn seatbelt on, we get out of here. Showered and hungry. I'm so hungry.